homeopathy is fake because it doesn't have that much scientific evidence and random trials on every living organism. So we can't claim that homeopathy is a medical science, because according to the founder of homeopathy, Dr. Hahnemann, he also condemned that homeopathy works on placebo effect, not in clinical trials or in scientific evidence, because when you take the homeopathy medicine, it will work with your mind, because when you think that I am healing, your body increase your metabolism and your healing power, so you feel good, so you blame that allopathies are bad and homeopathy is good. Where is the proof? Because if you dilute little quantity of medicine in a large quantity of water, how water can memorize the property of that medicine? Because water is not a memory card. So that is my opinion about homeopathy.
But according to the statistic, more than 85% of the Indian populations are treated by homeopathy treatment, and 99% of them are benefited of it, and they gave a very good feedback of it. Then still, why are you claiming that homeopathy is not actually a treatment, it's a fake?
Because there is no evidence paper that proves it works as good as allopathy, and it doesn't cure any emergency situation like accidents, and like it can cure only chronic thing with your placebo effect, not in emergency cases like accident, hemorrhage and dengue, malaria. It is not proven. So how can we claim that homeopathy works as good as allopathy and Ayurvedic?
Do you think all who go for the homeopathy treatment are fool? Why do people go for this kind of treatment? That there are so many homeopathy shops and there are so many homeopathy clinics are available around these cities, and why do a study for becoming a homeopathy doctor? Do you have any specific answer for it?
There is no scientific evidence that it works in scientific way, because is there any proof that water can memorize property of anything?
You are repeating the same thing again and again, but I had asked you a different question. Do you have that answer? That do you really think that people are fool?
Okay, this is the confirmation bias. When a majority of people get same result, they think that this is true and it will benefit us, so they think that it is real, and without any scientific evidence. Like in India, most of people don't aware about basic healthcare things, so they are not distinguished to what is good and what is fake. Sometimes homeopathy delays the exact treatment and it can worsen your disease or your condition in chronic diseases also.
But as for the medical science, it has been proven that the placebo effect not only work for the homeopathy treatment, it does work for the allopathy and Ayurvedic treatments also. In most of the cases, it has been observed that many doctors in critical conditions, they say this thing that the medicines are not working on a particular patient because the patient is not willing to survive. It doesn't have any desire to stay alive. So in that case, no medicine works regardless of what kind of treatment you are providing to them. It may be homeopathy or allopathy. So that what placebo effect, it works in homeopathy as well as in allopathy and other mode of treatment. So why are you only going to blame that homeopathy only works on that placebo effect? As you said, the founder of the homeopathy, he said that homeopathy works good on the placebo effect. It doesn't mean that homeopathy only works on the placebo effect. Both of these statements has a separate meaning. Homeopathy works better on placebo effect. That means when someone believes that they are going to be recover early, that time it's going to work faster. Same thing happens in allopathy also. So it didn't say that homeopathy only works on the placebo effect. No one had said it, right? Do you have any specific answer for this question?
Yes, I know that allopathy medicines work in placebo effect, but as you told that doctor says that patient don't have willing power, so medicine is not working. This is the dialogue of movies, not in practical. Okay, so don't claim that homeopathy is real by watching movies and cinematic dialogues. Okay,
most of the movies that we watch in our everyday life are based on the real life experiences. Okay, so will you deny it? If you deny it, then it's just a quarrel or argument without a profound logic. Do you have any profound logic to prove that it is a fake treatment where majority of the populations are being benefited by this kind of treatments and methods?
This is like a hysteria. Do you know what is hysteria? When a bunch of people get benefit, so they inform another peoples that they are benefited by that thing, so another peoples believes that they are telling truth. So
What is wrong in this kind of treatment? If a treatment is happening and people are being benefited by it, so why are you asking questions and why are you trying to claim it as a fake treatment when people are benefited by such kind of treatment? Does it make any sense for someone to blame when does it work? We can blame something is bad or it should not be practiced when there is a negative result or a negative feedback. But in this case, where most of the results and benefits are on the positive side, so does it make any sense for you to claim it fake and ask for this practice to be stopped?
because there is no side effect in homeopathy, because extreme dilution happened in this homeopathy, because doctors and pharmacists dilutes a few quantity of medicine in large quantity of water, so they think that water would memorize the property of medicine. So that is not work. Okay, you have to give certain amount of medicine in a certain amount of solutant.
So you are agreeing with it that homeopathy treatment doesn't have any side effects, so it's better than allopathy treatment, but still you are denying that it's not a good treatment to be done, but you don't have any practical logic to establish that it doesn't work. It works for everyone is being benefited by it.
Do you have any research paper and any trial and random trials on people that they are benefited with scientific logic, and it is registered with a certified medical practitioner, and they told you that it works as good as allopathy?
Do you love your mother? Does your mother love you? So do you have any research paper to prove it that you love your mother very much?
Don't be emotional, okay, and don't pull psychology. You don't need to compare love and medicine, both are separate things.
Definitely not. Something which is not proven, so you can't claim it as a fake thing. So then in that case you have to admit that love doesn't exist. You don't love your mother doesn't love you. If there is no certificate to be proven that love exists or not, you cry for your girlfriend or not, if she cry for you or not, if there is no certificate exist to prove it, then that means love doesn't exist. People are being benefited by this kind of treatment, but you just want a certificate to get it being proved, right?
This is not matter of love, okay, this is the healthcare. You have to have that much proof and in random trials, because it is treatment, not love and your sympathy, not for your girlfriend, okay.
So you are agreeing it that love doesn't exist.